In MCQ 39, we switch our focus to that of ecology, and this time around, we are looking at ways to increase the area of the carbon sink. Now, a carbon sink is actually an area that actually has the amount of CO2 absorbed is going to be considerably much more than the amount of CO2 that's actually being released. So some of the very common natural carbon sinks will include water bodies, such as the oceans and lake, because carbon dioxide is soluble and it can actually be absorbed into these water bodies, as well as looking for plants themselves, because the amount of CO2 absorbed during the process of photosynthesis is definitely much more than the CO2 released when the plant go through aerobic respiration. So to increase the amount, burning more fossil fuels would have been a no-go. This will actually increase the release of carbon dioxide. Draining lakes and marshes is directly decreasing the amount of water bodies, so the carbon sink area will actually drop. Humans eating more meat will also mean that we need to go through more of our agricultural as well as rearing more of the animals, and animals, especially cows themselves, are going to be emitting a lot of carbon dioxide. Since they are livestock, there will be more aerobic respiration, more CO2 will be released than is actually being absorbed. But replanting forests is definitely the way to go, as this increases the population of plants on Earth and increase the amount of carbon dioxide absorbed. So D is the correct answer.